I'm standing here with, what is your name? Wat is je naam? Oge. And you are?
Darina.
Darina. Zie je, doe even zo, Darina. Maar Darina, ja, die komt uit
Slowakije.
So we have to talk a little bit English now then.
Yeah.
Is that better?
Yes, better in English.
But I talked to your husband and he is from, where is your husband from?
From Friesland, from Oudega.
From Friesland, Oudega, here in Gasterland.
Yes.
And how long are you here how long are you married to him?
We are married 1 year.
1 year?
Yeah.
And now but now you're the first time with the Skûtsjesilen?
First time for Skûtsjesilen, but it's like fourth time in Switzerland. No, Friesland. Sorry, Friesland.
Ja, ik is een beetje van in de waarheid, dat snap ik nog.
Friesland.
Maar what are you liking Friesland?
Very much. Heel lekker.
Ja, ik denk wel.
Heel lekker vertoeven.
Ja.
And I heard about it from your man. You have also aandelen in het Skûtsje from Elahûzen.
Yes, we have.
In Elahûzen is a Skûtsje, and you also bought a part of the Skûtsje.
Yes, that's true.
But there is one problem.
Which one?
You're gonna move to the Maagdeilanden.
Yeah.
Your husband said. And then what's gonna happen with the Skûtsje?
Yeah, but we will come here once a year, maybe twice a year.
Oh, you will come here. Oh, do you want something to say?
He wanted to open his
Do
bottle.
you want something to drink?
Yes.
Did you like the Skûtsjesilen?
Did you like it? Yeah, you did.
Ah, that's nice. Well, what I forgot about. What's your name?
Darina.
Darina. Nou, Darina. I am Brechtje Vlechtje from Friesland. And daarachter, that's a tracker. How do you say it?
Tractor.
In het Slowakisch?
Tractor.
Also ook tractor.
Ja.
And how do you say een noffelijke dag in het Slowakisch? Een fijne dag in het Slowakisch. How do you say that?
Fajne dag. What's that?
Een fijne dag, een mooie dag.
Mooi dag. Krasny den.
Krasny den.
All Friesland people.
Krasny den, Friesland people.
Ja.
Nou, wat een prachtig einde.
Ja.
Thank you very much.
You indeed.
And I hope I see you again.
Yeah, I so believe that I meet you and another occasion here in veel mooi Friesland.
Very nice in Friesland, dat zegt ze.
Ja.
Nou, toedeloe hè. Doei.
Bye.